Hello everyone. Happy 4th of July. Today is my leisure time and we'll dedicate this day to conduct our first live streaming video on YouTube to help kids across the world learn to play chess free for life. Our valuable time spent on this extraordinary day will serve as legacy for the growing kids so as their minds will be fully prepared to meet real life challenges when they grow up. It is our full intent to prepare future generations, especially to all my nephews and nieces, kids and grandchildren, or even to my FB friends, kids and grandkids. As the famous quote from chess grandmaster Garry Kasparov, at the end of the day, we are all being challenged, sooner or later, by our destiny. And it's up to us to make all the difference in this life. If it's not you, who else? It is an excellent quote from Garry Kasparov. We believe that by good discipline and the right balance of playing chess an individual career in life, a person who plays chess is more likely to succeed because every chess player knows that if you are not big enough to lose, you're not big enough to win. So, ladies and gentlemen, without much further ado, boys and girls, let's start the Chess Beginner's Guide to Think Like a Grandmaster. Our Chess Beginner's Guide to Think Like a Grandmaster will be conducted in a step-by-step process. We assume that kids will start with zero knowledge or no experience required in playing chess. Here's our course outline. The first section, learn to play chess. This is the very first part that the chess players learn how to move pieces and play the game. Our second section, titled From Beginner to Winner. In this section, we will introduce the following concepts. First, the opening principles, winning the game, capturing pieces, finding checkmate, and introduction to book openings. The third section on our course outline, titled as Think Like a Chess Player. Before our students will think like a grandmaster, he or she will first learn how to think like a chess player. In this section, he or she will learn the following. First, make the most of your pieces. Second, understanding endgames. Third, winning with tactics. Fourth, forcing moves. And the last one, reading the board. Note, the first three chapters are intended for beginners level and provide sufficient knowledge for beginners in chess. But if your child loves the game, then we will give them 2 bonus chapters. These are our intermediate guide to advanced chess concepts and mastery. In advanced chess concepts, this is our fourth in our course outline. This fourth section will introduce the following areas of principles. First, key openings. Second, choosing the best move. Third, activating your pieces. Fourth, advanced endgames. Fifth, attacking the king. Sixth, advanced tactics. And the last one, endgame patterns. The fifth or the last chapter of our course outline is the mastery. In our mastery section, students will learn the final chess concepts before he or she will graduate in our program. The key topics are as follows. First, openings. Second, mastery on strategy. Third, tactics. Fourth, endgames. Fifth, attacking. Sixth, master games. And the last one will be miscellaneous games. Now, before your students or kids will register or subscribe in our free for life chess videos here in YouTube, let me show you the recent game I did as a chess beginner that can think like a grandmaster. In this game, I played black, aka head start, dash US, and the white first move is b3. I replied d5, then white played bishop b2. This opening is classified as Nemzovich-Larsen attack, classical variation. And the chess move continues. And so on. So I played queen to e7, he castled. Then as a beginner, I played pawn e4 to capture the knight, but my opponent has a threat on my pawn on g7, so I continued my plan. Pawn takes knight, queen takes pawn, and then continue the original plan. I move my queen to g5, then he captures my rook, then the original plan. Now you can see that this is a beginner's move that can think like a grandmaster. You will notice the queen is helpless, so my opponent resigned. We still have a lot of interesting videos to post. Our YouTube streaming video was originally suggested by my friend, USCF Master Mel Singson. I learned to play chess when I was in 6th grade, and my first official coach was my cousin, National Master Rodrigo Ababad, and then followed by the support of my chess players friend like FIDE Master Jojo Dunban Claymore and Grandmaster Enrico Sevillano. Thank you all, and we hope you like our chess lesson program. Once again, happy 4th of July.
And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today, 'cause there ain't no doubt